Filopos,
and Lolo.
On today's episode, we play football outside.
And I help mow the lawn but end up having trouble with my cars.
Youth and Dad help us to fix our cars in the soccer field.
Come with us to see how we solve it.
Hi, now we gonna play football together. We gonna show you some tricks.
Look at me. I got the ball. Now it's time to show off my skills. This is my move. I'm in position. Shoot! Goal time!
Yes! Top corner.
Woohoo!
Look, Oscar, can you juggle longer than me?
No, I can't. You are really good at this, Filopo. But I can do this.
Nice, Oscar. So close. I can't believe I missed that. Again, yes.
Woohoo!
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this. It's called a rainbow flick. I like playing football, so I do a lot of practice every day. Let's score. Oh, I hit the post.
It's so hot outside today. I need a break.
Let's count for how long I can juggle. Did you count? That was good. Oh no! The grass is so long. Look at it. Oscar, do you think Dad can help us cut the grass so I can play?
Yes, the grass needs to trim.
I will call Dad and see if he can come with the lawn mower. Siri, call Dad. Hi, Dad. The grass is so long. Can you come and help us to cut it?
I will help you cut the grass. I'm coming home.
Now we have to wait for Dad to come home.
Yay! Let's wait for Dad. I think he is gonna be here soon.
Hi, Oscar. Here is the trailer with the lawnmower.
Should I open here?
Yes, just pull it up.
Okay, can you do the other side? I wonder what kind of lawnmower it is. Look, it's a big orange one. With this one, it's gonna be easy to cut the grass. Let's check it out. Do you think I can drive it? I think it's gonna be fun to drive it. Dad is gonna show me.
Come and sit here. Let's drive it out together. Careful, Oscar.
That was a little tricky to come out of the trailer. Let's drive to the backyard. We start on the edges all the way around the sides first. It's important to look around so you don't drive on any toys.
Careful, I have my ball there.
Yes, Filopo, we saw it. The grass has really gotten tall. How lucky we chose to mow it today. This was really fun to do. Now we are turning around to go the same way again, so we cut it evenly. And we take a lap around the trampoline. That was a big lap. I got dizzy, but I'm okay. We need to finish this now. Now we have mowed the entire lawn. Look how nice it turned out. I wanna take a spin by myself now just for fun. Let me see if I remember how to start it. Look at me, it worked. It's more fun to do it by myself. Did you see my turn? Now we need more speed. Watch out for Lopo.
Be careful, Oscar. Don't go too fast.
It's not that fast. I wonder how many loops I can do before I get dizzy. This was so much fun.
Thank you, Oscar, for cutting all the grass. Now I can continue playing football. Stella, get out of the way. Yes, score. Look at this. Can you guess how many juggle I can do? 1 to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. My record is 105.
Here I have all my cars. Let's try them out. Which one do you want to see first? Let's start with the truck. This is my favorite. Let's jump in. Oh, it sounds weird when I start it. Can you hear that? Why does it sound like that? It hasn't sounded like this before. Oh no, it only drives on reverse. What should I do? Let me turn it off and start it again. No, this didn't work. I don't know how to fix it. What should I do now? Oh, let's take another one. Let's try the toy forklift. I think the power is out. It doesn't turn on. We can't use this one either. This was not fun. I don't know what to do. It's better if we just drive my car. Lolo, what are you doing here? Jump in, I will drive. Oh no! Turn it off, Oscar. I don't know how to do it. It's so loud. I'm gonna turn it off. I don't know why that happened. Now I don't have any car that works. Oh no! I'm sorry. Let's get Dad, he can help us. Let's load the cars on the trailer and take them to the mechanic who can fix them. I need to make room for all the cars. Move, Dad. I'm backing the car up onto the trailer.
Good job, Oscar.
That went smooth. Now I have parked 2 cars, only one left. Do you think it's gonna fit? Yay, I made it. Now the cars are loaded in the trailer and my dad is gonna drive them away. Now we wait. I hope the mechanic can fix all the cars. They have been away a long time now. Look, they are coming now. They are back now. Let's open the trailer. He fixed all the cars. Now I can drive them all. I'm so happy. Let's try this first. This one works now without making any noise. Let's take it out for a spin. Perfect. No, you forgot me. Wait, come back for me. Oscar. Our garden is too small to drive around on. Let's go to the terrain. Here have to be careful with the cars. Here is perfect to drive around. It's a lot of space. Wow, did you see that? Let's go again. That was fun. I'm gonna drive on the bumpy road. Let's turn around and go home. That was a nice ride. This is my favorite motor vehicle. It's a sunny day. Let's inflate our swing toys. I'm using a compressor and it's really loud. But it's easier to inflate our toys, so it don't take as much time. Close it hard, so the air doesn't go out. Finished!
Come with us and play in the pool. Here are all the toys Oscar inflate for us.
Look at this. Did you see I landed in the swim ring?
I want to try too. Throw me that big swim ring. Thanks.
Here I come. Let me put all the swim ring on you. Here I got 2 more. They all fitted on you.
I can't see anything. I'm gonna float away now.
You look so funny, Filippo.
That was a safe landing. Look at me, I'm a unicorn. It's hard to move around with so many swim rings on me. Let's take them off. I want to go on the water slide.
Watch out!
Here I come. I'm riding the crocodile.
I wanna try too. That didn't work for me.
I'm having so much fun on the water slide. Oscar, let's try to turn it upside down so we can jump inside it.
Yes, that sounds fun. Jump in, Filippo.
Yes, but we have to push it more to the middle. Now it's better. Now wiggle it.
That was fun.
Let's fill it up with our toys.
Yes.
Oscar, where are you? I can't see you. I also want to hide. Watch out.
Let's fill up the water balloons. I'm gonna fill up many so I can throw on Filippo.
That's not fair. I'm coming too. Watch out, Oscar.
I'm doing some more water balloons. Now I have enough to take Filippo down. Run, Filippo. I will hit you.
I'm coming for you too.
Oh no, it's a shark in our pool.
No, wrong channel.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
And if you like the video, give us a like.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Filippo's
And Lolo. Now that everyone has gone to bed, I'm gonna take it out for one last spin. Bye-bye.